there, Mix Fam! What's up? This is VJ Aya here bringing the flavor, and I cannot tell you how excited I am for our little segment today kasi yung special guests natin talaga namang pinasabugan tayo ng isang pangmalakasang comeback, and this was a surprise to a lot of the fans. So I'm sure kilalang kilala nyo na sila. They have developed throughout the years as self-made artists. They keep dominating the charts and they have made it internationally representing Filipino music. So welcome to none other than the kings of P-pop, SB19! All right. So first of all, I want to say congratulations. Today yung release ng Damn MV and yung song din, sobrang fresh pa ng lahat. How does it feel? Nakaka-release nyo lang and then now, nakikita nyo na yung buzz ng fans on the internet.
Grabe talaga yung still.
Actually po, super overwhelming. Kasi parang we are very prepared for this day. Pero hindi talaga may iwasan na minsan matutulalakan na lang na parang, oh, this is really happening. And today, parang sabay-sabay. Pero kasi yun naman yung gusto natin eh. Yung parang, yung tao, pag-usapan siya, yung traffic sa social media, yun yung gusto natin. And we're very happy na talagang yung fans, yung 18, sobrang ingay nila ng social media, even the casuals, they appreciate everything, the music video, the quality, and the budget, yeah. Super happy.
Oo, actually, that's very nice to hear. And one thing I've been seeing, especially on Twitter, na nagulat daw talaga yung mga fans. Kasi it seems like this was a surprise comeback of some sort. Parang bigla na lang, boom, may teaser na, ayan na siya. Then boom, ayan na yung tour nyo agad. So was it planned na i-surprise na sila? Can you tell us a bit more about yung preparation or yung process behind this?
Yes, the process is just...
Meron ako mic. Okay. Siguro po, yun nga, yung plan namin for Simula at Wakas is to strike differently. Or yeah. Parang ganon. Kasi from the previous releases, meron kaming parang nasundang flow, may ginawa na kaming process na alam na ng fans, sanay na yung fans ganito, mag-release sila ng ganyan, ganon.
Yeah.
And for this comeback, parang we want something different. Paano ba namin hihigitan yung sagad na? So let's try something new, let's learn from it. Kung hindi man siya mag-work, hindi natin malalaman hanggang di natin subukan.
Yeah.
So yun, ngayon po wala kaming scheduler. Even the releases ng announcement namin, it's much earlier than the previous announcements namin, ganyan. So I think it is because then from our learnings sa mga previous namin na ganyan.
Definitely. And I super commend you all for that. Feeling mom, feeling proud talaga. But I commend you all kasi you're managing yourselves then. So you have the liberty to break out of your shell or do something different. And I know it's very hard. Ayun nga, yung music video, kudos talaga, sobrang ganda. Para kayong gumawa ng movie, it's really nice. I love the roles. But one thing I'm curious about is, nakikita niyo ba yung mga theories ng fans niyo online? Ang hirap maging 18 ha, parang kailangan laging may entry, laging matalino dapat. So, nakikita niyo ba? Tapos may nakita ba kayong tumama sa mga theory na online?
Marami-rami din.
Kasi ano naman eh,
Talino talaga sila.
parang ino-open naman namin yung floor for open interpretation. So kung ano yung, kasi diba creative nga siya eh. So you should do it or you should think creatively. So,
that's true.
Kung ano yung nafe-feel nila.
And let everyone be creative then.
Yes. And for us naman, syempre, meron tama talaga na from the creator. Which is yun nga kami, from kami. Pero pwede naman nila, yun nga, pwede nilang bigyan ng sarili nilang mga meanings. And ang dami namin nakita na halos close na dun sa kung ano yung ginawa namin. And marami rin tumama na.
Ayun.
Pero syempre yung overall, ayun, medyo kailangan talaga na siguro parang kilala mo kami. Yun.
That's true naman. Kasi even, like for example, for me, when you first watch the video, hindi mo naman talaga makukuha agad if you're a casual listener. Pero sobrang sarap niyang panoorin for someone who's a casual listener and then wala kang idea. So it's up to you. So nagiging creative talaga yung fans because of that.
Yung nakakatawa nga dito, like, if you're an outsider, di ba, parang yung mga usual na sabi natin, ano ba naman mga lyrics nila? Wala mang sense. Ganon. Ano ba yung mga, hindi, kuwari lang, from outside perspective.
Sabi niya.
Siya. Hindi, pero may mga ganun, di ba? Na parang akala nila parang ganun lang siya kababa or mema or ganun, mema rhyme or mema nasabi. Pero kilala mo ang history or kilala mo kami or history namin, malalaman mo bakit ganun lahat. Kasi everything happens for a reason.
Definitely, ang galing naman. Even your lyrics. And music is art. So talagang, you can have the freedom to do if you want mema, if you want it to open your interpretation. Okay lang naman yon. Kaya ngayon, susubukan natin ang skills nyo sa pag-interpret. Interpret, hindi mo ganun kahirap, joke lang. But we're gonna play a game. So this game is called Simula at Wakas. So, aalalahanin nyo yung mga old songs nyo, yung mga nung nag-uumpisa pa kayo. And then I'll ask you some questions. 5 seconds lang.
Alright.
Para masabi nyo yung simula ng song or yung wakas ng isang song. And then if you don't answer, I'm gonna ask you a question. So, isa-isa kayo para lahat makapag-talk kasi alam ko there's some people who are a bit quiet here. Okay, so ready na kayo.
Alright.
I think let's start with Ken first.
Alright.
Let's make it easy. Madali lang tong number 1. Okay, so the first song is, gusto ko i-recite nyo or i-sing nyo ang simula ng We Go Up. In 5,
Sige.
4,
Yeah, we gonna go up.
3. Okay, correct! Ayan, sige. Easy lang, easy round. Mamaya yung medyo hihirap ng konti.
Tapos na ako.
Yung second verse, third line, kaya nyo yun. Keme lang. Okay, next. Si Justin naman. Alright. Wakas ng mapa. 5, 4.
Ako naman,
Ay, nako!
Ako naman.
ako na!
Wala na.
Fake
Ako naman.
Out na.
Ako na! Ano ba yun?
Actually, test to kung magsistay ka pa sa SB19.
Oh
My goodness.
Thank you so
Baba
much,
Justin.
guys.
Okay, so this is the question. You can take the question or anyone else can answer.
Okay.
So you are headlining one of the biggest indoor arenas in the world, Philippine Arena. Ano yung reaction nyo nung nalaman nyo na finally, eto na, Kings of P-pop, Philippine Arena na, finally? Ganon. Okay, go ahead.
Siguro, it's, yung reaction namin talaga is, let's go. Parang gusto namin. Yun
Yeah.
yung let's go, ngayon na.
Ngayon,
Hindi,
start
gusto
na.
talaga namin kasi nga, ilang taon na rin kami sa industry. And we've been performing a lot of times.
Yeah.
So parang, again, paano namin hihigitan yung sagad na. So we really need to push with the bigger
Yeah.
venue to really measure and kumbaga celebration din siguro for us
Oo
na
naman.
gawin natin to with a bigger arena kasi yung etong Simula at Wakas, deserve niya yung marinig ng mas maraming tao, mas ma-experience siya ng sabay-sabay with so many people.
Oo,
Yes.
That's true. Oo, tama naman. Deserve na deserve. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. At dahil, hindi, kahit tumama ka, gusto ko sumagot ka pa rin ng question. Follow up lang. I wanna
Okay?
know,
Sige.
how does it feel na syempre you're kicking off your world tour on Philippine soil first? So, gaano kataas yung binibigay niyong confidence sa inyo to go internationally after that?
Taas talaga.
Mataas talaga.
Taas
Well, I will
talaga.
get it naman.
Because dito kasi, pag nag-kick off kasi kami, talagang binibigay namin lahat. Binubuhos namin lahat. Kasi hindi lang naman mga fans namin dito sa Pilipinas yung mga nanonood eh. Meron ding from ibang part ng ng ibang country, ibang nationalities na pupunta sila dito para mapanood nila yung kick-off namin kasi
Yes.
it's to be honest, it's very different compared pag nasa US kami or pag nasa Asian countries kami. Dito talaga, pag nagka-concert kami dito talaga, ano ba yun, binibigyan namin lahat. So,
Tama naman. Kaya mahal naman kayo
confident
ng
kami
fans
pag
niyo.
pumunta kami sa ibang lugar din. Kasi,
that's great.
ganito yun, ganito din yung level ng ng concert na dinadala namin. So,
Tsaka kayo na yan, Diyos ko naman, hindi naman kayo magte-trend for nothing. So deserve na deserve niyo yan. Okay, ikaw naman, it's your turn. Eto, madali lang din to. Simula ng gento. Okay, 5, 4, 3.
Want some? Get some.
Ay, mali!
Simula lang ito, tung.
Mali!
Ang umpisa niya, you know,
Yung, I wanna get some. I want some, I got some later. Oo.
Sabi mo, you want some eh.
Want some sabi ko, want some.
Oo, yung simula, dapat exact. Dapat exact siya. Okay.
Binago na.
Binago na. Binago ko. Charot. Binago nung kodigo.
Ay, wala na.
Alright, so I'll ask you a question because of that. Gusto ko i-share nyo naman, what's the meaning behind yung simula at wakas? I'm sure malalim yung pinaghugutan nyo for that kasi nga gusto nyo higitan kung ano pang nagawa nyo.
Kasi po, dahil may trilogy kami, yun nga, yung pagsibol, pagtatag, at simula at wakas. So, even from 2019, naplano na po namin siya lahat.
Wow.
So, yun nga po yung question mark, yung sprouting, yung tree, yung pagtatag, at yung seed or yung fruit nung simula at wakas. So, yun nga, yung double meaning po siya. Is it the end or the beginning? So, pwedeng, for us po, it's a beginning of something na, syempre, it's an end of a beginning. Yun. So, kami po yung didictate kung kailan namin mawawakasan at kailan sisimulan. Sorry kung hindi pala yun, parang for me, yun nga creative, ko siya, interpretation. For me kasi araw-araw, lagi kong tinatanong yung sarili ko, bakit ko nga ba ginagawa to? Bakit ko ba lahat pinopursue yung mga ganito, yung mga bagay na gusto namin?
Yeah.
Then, lagi kong binabalikan yung mga reasons ko from the very beginning. So, I think it's ganun din po namin siya tinitake, simula at wakas. Kumbaga, it's a beginning of the end. Yun.
Grabe, ang insightful nyo talaga. Parang ang sarap nyo ka-deep talks, no? Parang ganon yung nakikita ng tao sa inyo. Pero ayun nga, I'm not surprised. Hindi naman kayo makakarating dito and magiging self-made kung wala lahat yung tumatakbo sa utak nyo yung lahat. Okay, so eto.
Mas gusto ni Josh ang deep sleep.
Deep sleep. Ako din, same. Sana nga makarest kayo before mag-kick off yung tour. Diyos ko po. Pero ay, deserve nyo naman whatever is happening. Okay, kay Pablo naman. Alright.
Yes, Pablo na naman.
Eto, hindi naman. Simula ng dam. Gusto ko sample naman to, ha?
Simula ng dam.
Yung simula ng lyrics, nilalaro nyo naman ako. Okay, 5.
This is ugly. But alam mo naman, dami like it. Then again, cause I'm icy. Yan po.
Okay, thank you. Galing, love
Yes,
it. Walang question for you. Of course, last kay Stel. Feeling ko may expect mo naman tong last question. Wakas ng dam naman.
Wakas ng langumpay sa pagusta!
I love it! At talagang winakasan nyo ng maganda tong interview.
envy.
Thank you so much for being super game. At kahit di ko kayo masyadong natanong. Pero ito, ihahabulin ko lang tong last question ko na to. What's next for SB19 after the tour? Don't spoil us, but have you planned it already? Oh.
Actually, yes. Meron naman ng mga plans, may ideas na. But for us, it's something na parang iniisip pa rin namin siya kung talaga ba gagawin pa natin to. But syempre for the fans, parang ready kami to do it. And of course, para rin sa amin. Kasi to be honest, yung itong trilogy na to, actually hindi pa siya end eh. I mean, you can feel na parang end siya, pero pwede siya mag-start ng something. So, it's an paulit-ulit na cycle. Cycle lang nga, ulit-ulit pa. Pero it's a cycle na walang katapusan. So parang yun siya. So, let's
Cycle nga eh.
let's expect
Cycle lang walang katapusan
something,
na
but
infinity.
hindi mo na mag-spoil ng something. But yeah, they can
naman.
expect something.
Okay, we're so super excited for that. So thank you so much at binigyan nyo talaga ng time ang Mix.
Thank you.
So of course, to Mix fam and all of your 18s, magbigay naman kayo ng message for us.
Of course, Mix fam, nung nagsisimula kami, talagang nandyan na kayo. And as far as I can remember, meron na kami isang magandang performance sa Mix before. Naalala niyo ba yun? Oo, yung Bakit Ba Ikaw natin na talagang nag-trend and super favorite ng fans. Thank you for your support mula noon hanggang ngayon. And thank you din sa pag-support hindi lang sa amin, pati sa lahat ng mga OPM artists, mga indie artists natin dito sa Pilipinas. Your platform is a blessing for everyone dahil patuloy pong namamayagpag ang musika ng Pilipino dahil po sa mga plataforma nyo. At thank you so much for supporting us all the way. And of course, to our 18, maraming salamat po. Mahal namin kayo. Mag-expect kayo ng marami from us dahil nag-ready kami ng something bigger para sa inyo. So yan. Thank you so much and keep supporting us. We love you all.
Alright, thank you so much. And of course, don't forget to get tickets for their world tour. Ano ba? Puntahan nyo yan, guys. For sure, pasabog ang
Pasabog
magiging
talaga.
production nun. So I'm very excited to see where this will all take you.
Thank you so
deserve
much,
it all.
Mix
Thank you so
family.
much.
Thank you. Have a great day. Love you guys.